Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix "You Were Kicked from Session" by BattlEye in GTA 5. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Rockstar Games launcher on your PC. Go to Settings and locate the BattlEye option. If you usually play GTA offline with mods, make sure BattlEye is turned off so it does not interfere with your files. However, if you are playing GTA online, BattlEye must be enabled to avoid being kicked from sessions. Next, close the Rockstar Games launcher completely. Open Task Manager and end all Rockstar-related processes running in the background. This step is important to fully reset the service. After closing everything, open the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type SC delete BE service and press Enter. Once you see the success message, close the command prompt. Now, reopen the Rockstar Games launcher. When you launch GTA Online again, BattlEye will reinstall automatically and should work correctly without kicking you from the session. So that's basically how you can fix "You Were Kicked from Session" by BattlEye in GTA 5. That's it for this video. Thanks!